Hey everybody, it's Brad Killgore here with America's Best Shops. And I want to expand on my tip from a day or two ago about how you can create some really cool content using Google's Notebook LM, right? So I'm going to give you just a couple of screen shares this time so you can see in action. But it's super intuitive and super simple to use. Of course, you can get more granular and more advanced things produced as well. But these are just different things that could help you when it comes to producing content for your website, your social media, even video. So, with that being said, let me just turn on my screen share here for a minute and see if I can get this going here. All right. So, if we're to go over to here, you should be seeing Notebook LM now. And so Notebook LM definitely has the free version. But the big thing is you want to be signed into your Google account, whether that's just a Gmail account or whether it's your paid Google Workspace, right? So once you're in there, then you can just go here to add sources. In this case, I've uploaded a PDF. I've also put it in my website. And so you're able to put as many documents in here as you want, as many links. And you can just see here things from your Google Drive. You can also research things and what have you. But once you've got that information in there, then it's very straightforward. You literally can do like an audio overview of your content, a video overview, mind map, report, flashcards, quiz, and then infographic and slide deck. So the ones we're going to look at today are just infographic, slide deck, and video overview. So once I put that information in there, obviously I can give it more information here. It knows that I have the two sources in here. But then when you look at what it produces, it's insane. So if we were to look at this first one, this is a video it produced about the content that I gave it. So in this case, that would be your company website or documents about your company. Or if you wanted to have specifics about services or projects, then you'd want to have that link over here as well, or let it know that you're wanting to talk about a specific service or project or what have you. I'm not going to play the whole video here, but you can just see here real quick, like it's pretty cool, right? So that's the first one. The next one is the infographics. So let's look at this one. So this is an infographic that it created um, literally from my website. It knows what my website's about. And so it created this really, really powerful infographic. So this is something you could use on your social media. Um, you could make a video about this infographic, share it on your screen. Um, you could print this and make it a flyer to hand out to your customers. I mean, it's kind of endless what you could do. So that's the first one. This next one it created, before we go to the next one, let's go to this one was the other infographic here. So again, very concise. You can see here, the details that it puts in there. I mean, to take the time to create that all yourself would take a long time. Just put it that way. So the last one was the slide deck. So this one is it literally again took my information all the way down even to the phone number and created a slide deck, right? So a slide deck is something that you could use for, you could have this playing on your TV in your shop. You could make a video for YouTube about this and share it on your screen. It's kind of endless again what you could do with this. Now it's not perfect, and it does have the brand of Notebook LM, but there are some additional tools and different things that you can do that will allow you to essentially modify it, edit it. So, with all that being said, we'll turn off our screen share for a minute. Hopefully, that was informative for you. If you have any questions, let me know. We're going to try to give as many cool tips and tricks for you in the upcoming days and weeks. And like always, follow us, subscribe, share the information, and hopefully, it's good information for you and your business. Take care.